Credable obviously is a trade name for us. We started our journey in 2017, and then we floated a NBFC in 19, and the NBFC is currently triple B rated. What we do supply chain financing in the NBFC, and the current AUM is in excess of 7 billion right now. And the investors that we have at the holding company, and the parent itself is Oaks and Plutus, along with the Axis Bank Limited. The slide also shows a revenue snapshot. We are happy to inform the members here that we are now profitable at the consolidated level for continuously 2 months now. NBFC has been profitable for the last financial year as well, but on the console level, we just turned profitable. So that is a good achievement for us. The founders are Nirav and Ram, as appearing on the right side of the slide. I am down below, and in my current designation and role, I manage the debt and capital markets and couple of more functions for the NBFC as well as for the holding company. I think the slides gives a good overview in a succinct form on the portfolio. I think the main thing that needs to be focused is the growth. We are not in unsecured consumer loans, and it's all B2B that we do, and that's where the growth has been linear. And from 572, we are now at 700. So the growth has been in the range of say about 25 to 30% year on year. That is the financial year I'm talking about. Also, thing is on the granularity of the book that we have, and that is in the third quadrant, which is shown here. The large ticket size loans we usually avoid doing. And whenever we take a exposure on a large anchor on a program specific lending, what we try to do is to distribute that loan to the vendor ecosystem. And that's where for a single anchor, the loan gets distributed to a tier one vendors of the large buyer. And that's where the risk gets mitigated. The credit enhancement in the entire structuring is given either by a security deposit or a personal guarantee or a corporate guarantee by the anchor. And that's where the entire credit is getting secured. On the returns that we have, obviously we work in a range of 16 to 18 IRR on our returns on our portfolio, and that has been consistent. Over the last financial year, our NPA has been in the range of 1%, which is kind of best in the industry. And that showcases the strength of the underwriting as well as the portfolio that we have. Another beauty on the portfolio being that all the loans that we have are on a self-liquidating structure, wherein the discount is the delivery of the goods or the services. And we ensure that the money from the receiver of these goods and services is credited to the escrow or the virtual account in the NBFC itself that has lended to it.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks including delay and or default in payment. Read all the offer related documents carefully.